The trade is closed, by the way, 173 on our balance. So yeah, the trade closed 330. Very good. So yeah, the trade is closed. Yeah, 200, 600. Great. Hello, Yopta, my friends. My name is Vladimir and I welcome you to the Russian Traders channel. Here we are trading, analyzing, making profits every week. So get ready and fasten your seatbelts if you are watching me for the first time. Get ready, this one is gonna be hot and we are starting out.
The Russian trader feel his Russian style.
Here we have a very interesting story. Right now we will have the downgoing trend, the beginning of a downgoing trend. The thing is that we have the quite similar situation as historically for like 12 minutes ago. You see, 12 minutes ago we also had a very strong going candle and the very similar one down going. Okay, this is how the market reacts to abnormal candles, and that's actually what's happening right now. So I should say that we entered the very right moment. Oh, you see what's happening? That's exactly what I was talking about. That's exactly what I was talking about. Well, okay. Guys, by the way, before we continue and while we're waiting, I want to say that I'm teaching you here and explaining you how to work with indicators, how to make analysis and stuff. But if you feel like you tired of theory and you need practice, make sure you check out the link down below. It's the link to my Telegram channel. It's absolutely free. We are trading there all together. The trade is closed, by the way, 173 on our balance. So we are trading there all together according to my signals, which I'm picking up for you, so you can start at least trading. Yeah, you will find lots of useful information over there. Okay, just check it out if you need. And we are moving on to the next one pair, I guess. Okay, let's see what's happening over here. Okay, here the momentum is telling us that right now the situation may change actually from the outgoing trend to the downgoing. That's why let's set the amount, and you see the first red candle started to appear. The first red candle started to appear, and that is also the signal. Although the moving averages are telling us that we have still upgoing trend, guys, I'm always telling you, and if you're watching me not for the first time, you already know you should not consider one indicator separately. You should only work in combination together with different indicators to understand the whole picture. Because when I was starting trading, I was starting with trading with only moving averages. At till some point of time, that's enough. When you start to understand how moving averages work, you trade and you at least get some practice, okay? Practicing skills. But once you got in the situation several times when your knowledge about moving averages is not enough and you close trades with zero profits, you will start to use several indicators such as momentum, for example. And here momentum, if there were yeah, the trade closed 330, very good. If there were no momentum over here, we could assume that we may have the continuation of the outgoing trend right now. Quite probably we could assume. That's why, guys, you should start learning about the indicators as soon as possible if you are serious about making profits from trading. That's what I can tell you. And here, I guess we can take a look at another one pair. Yeah, here the quite opposite story. If you take a look at the moving averages, we will have quite similar situation as in the previous graph. The green line is also over the red one, and they're looking upwards. But here, take a look at the momentum. The momentum is looking upwards, which means that we have still the continuation of the upgoing trend, despite that the red candles are starting to form just exactly as at the previous situation, guys. That's why this is another one support to my words that you need to start to study indicators if you haven't started yet. So everything is in your hands, just take it, do it, okay? Well, here we're waiting for the continuation of the upgoing trend, and while we're waiting, guys, I can tell you that yeah, when I was starting out with trading, I thought that that is too much for me. I mean, knowing all the indicators, and when I understood that I can make some money with moving averages only, because moving averages are pretty simple and easy to understand. You can find lots of information on the internet about like for almost all the cases about how to react to them. I thought that is enough. I don't need to understand everything to make money. But in reality, it's not quite simple. It's not that simple, and when I made several mistakes, I understood that I had no other chance. If I want to continue trading, I need to learn. So yeah, the trade is closed for 143, and we have almost 600 already on our balance, which is good because, as you remember, we started with only 90. Okay, let's see if this one session will give us the possibility to make 10 times from our initial amount of the balance. Let's see. Here I can say we have the continuation of the upgoing trend, pretty obvious. We have this moon average, the green one, which is taking into consideration fewer amount of the candle of the previous candles is over the red one, which is taking into consideration more amount of the previous candles, which means that trend is still upgrowing and we are still moving in a channel, as you can see. And we right now open the trade at the very bottom border of a channel, which means that the price will rebound from it. And although the price is still oscillating, don't worry, don't panic. No panic, it's okay. uh, it's only talking us about the volatile market over here, which is good for us. But we had a very strong channel over here, and the price was reacting to it all the time, all the time was reacting. Here, the momentum is telling us, guys, you see, momentum is looking downwards, which is the very obvious signal of downgoing trends. That's why basically we made our profits and already have 800 on our balance. Very good, very good, very good. And yeah, we have here the reaction of the price on the downgoing, on the bottom line of the channel, just as I told you. So yeah, guys, learn about indicators. You will you will thank yourself. Okay, we're moving to the next one trade. That's not the end. We're moving to the next one trade. Here we have euro to United States dollar, and we have the beginning. We have probably the beginning of the change of a trend, but I think here we will not have the change of a trend. We will continue to grow, and right now I'll explain you why. First of all, take a look at the momentum. It is signaling us that we have the continuation of the upgoing trend, which is started from 2112 to be more exact. Well, 2113, let's say. Okay. um, Still the continuation of the upgoing trend over here. And despite you see, we were close to the intersection of the moon averages, and if they intersected, there would be a signal of the downgoing trend. But guys, you should not hurry. You should not open the trade because of the idea of the possibility of the change of a trend. You should open a trade only after the fact that the trend changed or didn't change. For instance, just like here. And this will result in $500 on our balance. I mean, 600 already dollars on our balance. And yeah, by the way, why didn't I mention it before? We have already more than 10 times from the initial amount. Very good. Well, have a gamble idea, you know, maybe we can make even 2 times. I mean, 20 times from the initial balance. What do you think, guys? Possible? Possible? No? Possible? No? Let's check out another one trade. Let's check out. Well, here, spoiler, possible. I'm opening a buy trade over here, guys. Here, take a look at the graph. We have the upgoing trend over here, although we are reaching some level and the price started to reverse, to rebound, but that's quite locally, not global change of a trend, first of all. And here's quite opposite situation. And what else should I tell you about the moon averages? Once the price reaching out the moon averages become the very strong level of support or resistance depending on the division of the price. In our case is the level of support, which is also another one signal of the continuation of the upgoing trend. And here, if you take a look at the momentum, you will not get nothing. You will not get much information here, but in combination with technical analysis and moving averages, we can conclude that Trend is still continuing. Trend is still continuing, and yeah, when the trend will start to change, moving averages will intersect and change its direction. So until this not happened, we still are in a game. Yeah, 200, 600. Great. $2,700 on our balance, guys. 3 times. Oh, sorry, 30 times from initial amount. How do you like it? How do you like it, guys? Give me some fire in the comments, please, because this one session is really something mind blowing, okay? Well, that's it. That's it. No, no, no. We will not check out another one pair. That's it. Guys, thank you for watching. This was Vladimir Russian Trader. Thank you for leaving your thumbs up. I hope you already did it. Don't forget to check out the link down below to my Telegram channel to get more useful information out there. See you in the next video.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.